Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Why am I showing a hallway? Because we're about to do a reveal. So I'm going to have to move a little bit out of the way so that I don't block the window. But I'm going to ask the client to now come in and we're going to watch a reaction.
Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. I'm glad you took off the sheet there. Oh my goodness. Can I go touch it?
Please. And you can pull the top one down too. This is what we were talking about. You were just barely tall enough for that one.
Yeah.
And there's the draperies.
And so they just come like this.
Yeah, and I have some batons in the vehicle that I can bring in for you.
Okay.
And that's your overall
Oh
look.
my goodness.
And now look at your pillow on your bed.
I saw that right away. Yes. It is beautiful.
And I think it works really well pulling these
I do
colors of the
too.
room
I'd like
together.
to come back and kind of
Oops,
get
watch
it.
your step. I'll help you with that overlap too.
Okay.
So what's your overall feel for our friends on camera?
It's perfect. Yes. You know, you forget exactly what pattern you chose, but just looking at it, you can see that it just picks up everything perfectly.
Yeah, and I'm going to shoot another video on this, so watch for one that talks about the need for layered window treatments. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design vlog.